in the middle of winter, it's quite difficult to grow anything, and it's not always because it's cold, but it's more often to do with the fact it's lack of light and we don't have very long day length. But you can get away, certainly towards the end of winter, sort of February, early March, you can start getting away with growing some salad crops. Here I'm in a polytunnel, which is obviously a great advantage. It's slightly warmer, protected from the elements. And you can start growing salads like things like land cress, which is very hardy. And it's a nice kind of a slightly peppery leaf to put in salads or in stir fries. You can grow some darker red-leaved plants like beet, bull's blood, coriander. You can start to sow lettuce. We've got sort of varieties that are a little bit hardier. This one's called Winter Imperial, and Lolla Rosso, which is the sort of slightly frilly-leaved and darker-leaved lettuce. There's also other things you can grow. There's things like pea shoots. You can just sow peas and just literally nip the shoots off as well. So you don't need a lot of heat, but you do need a little bit of protection from the elements, so a polytunnel or a greenhouse. But if you haven't got that, you can also grow them on a windowsill. You can grow them in trays like this, in troughs. Troughs are particularly good because you get a big surface area. It's just filled with multi-purpose compost and sow over the top and put them on a windowsill, warm windowsill. And when they're only very small, actually, only a couple of inches high, you can start to nip a few leaves off. This time of year, you haven't got the light, you're not going to get a really good, strong, mature, sturdy plants, but you will get some good seedlings which you can harvest. Even if you've got a tray, something like as shallow as this, you can still grow salad leaves, but only maybe to 2 inches high, and then just nip the leaves off. So this time of year, the end of winter, as long as you've got a bit of protection, you can start sowing quite a variety of salad leaves and start getting some pickings.